You think you know what it costs to open a restaurant. Rent, a kitchen, some tables, maybe a chef.
Honestly, all I really need are these few simple things. A sign, a chef hat, and I am ready to open.
Add it up, round it off, and you land on a number like approximately $100,000. That number is almost always wrong. Not because you did the math badly, but because the real cost of opening a restaurant isn't in the kitchen at all. It's in the paperwork nobody warns you about. Before you fry a single egg, you need permits, health department approval, a liquor license if you're serving alcohol, fire safety inspections, building code compliance. A basic health permit might run you approximately $1,000. But a full liquor license, depending on the city and state, can cost anywhere from approximately $15,000 to well over $300,000 in places like New York or California, where licenses are capped and traded like scarce assets. In some cities, that single piece of paper costs more than every oven, fryer, and walk-in fridge combined. And none of it happens fast. Permits can take anywhere from approximately 2 to 6 months to clear. Every one of those months, you're still paying rent on a space that's making $0. If your lease runs you approximately $5,000 a month, that's approximately $30,000 spent before a single customer walks through the door. That's the first hidden number. The second one is even bigger and almost nobody accounts for it. It's called the reserve fund. Most new restaurants don't turn a profit in their first few months. Sometimes not even their first year. Which means before you've earned a single dollar in profit, you need enough saved just to survive the silence. Payroll, rent, and utilities don't pause while you wait for customers to show up. For a small to mid-size restaurant, monthly operating costs often land somewhere around approximately $20,000 to $40,000. Most financial advisors recommend having approximately 6 months of that sitting untouched, just in case. That alone can mean setting aside approximately $120,000 to $240,000 before the business has proven it can survive on its own. So the real number isn't the kitchen. It's the kitchen at approximately $100,000, plus the permits and licenses, at approximately $15,000 to $300,000, plus approximately 6 months of reserves, often another $120,000 or more. Add it up, and a restaurant that looked like a $100,000 dream can easily become an approximately $300,000 to $500,000 commitment before it ever turns a profit. This is why so many restaurants that seemed to fail overnight were actually failing from day one. Not because the food was bad, because the buffer ran out before the crowd showed up. Understanding this changes how you look at every restaurant you walk into. That warm, busy dining room wasn't built on a good recipe. It was built on someone who budgeted for the silence before the noise.